Thanks for checking out this tour of Galveston's new Royal Caribbean Cruise Terminal. It was built at the cost of $125 million and it opened on November 9th of 2022. You can see some of the parking off there in the distance, although I suspect most of us probably take shuttles from our hotels. The trees are still coming in. It'll be a little bit before they fill out, and there is the allure of the seas waiting to take us on a cruise. Now there's a lot of signage and the roads are very easy to navigate in here. Lots of places to drop off, and then on the other side of the terminal there's an area for pickups where arriving passengers, debarking passengers can head back to hotels or the airport or to their cars to head home. Now this is where you drop off your luggage, and for our cruise it was so quick and super easy. I think the biggest concern I have about this area or this terminal is that if there's a crowd, there's not a lot of shelter from the South Texas sun. Now this entrance or foyer or foyer, however you'd like to pronounce it, was very large and really pretty. There were tons of employees to help figure out which way you need to go. Now off here to the left is where standard check-in is. Over here on the right is where suite and pinnacle guests would be going for check-in. I love these big screens and the giant propellers. These sculptures are just so fun. You really don't spend much time in this area. Now this is the direction that most people will go. We'll make our way up these escalators and to the main check-in and waiting area. Once up this escalator, you go to check-in. And if you did the online check-in, then it is super quick and easy. I think it took our group of 3 no more than a minute a piece to get checked in. We went after that to the security station, and I didn't really film either one of these. I didn't really feel like it was appropriate, or I'm not sure that I'm even allowed to film the security, but again, that was so quick and efficient. I think from the time we got up the escalator until the moment that we were through security, I bet it was 3 or 4 minutes, and that included the line. Now finally you get to a very comfortable staging area and waiting area, and we didn't spend that much time in this area because we had the key and we were ushered right to the front, and we were sent down a hallway to boarding. Now there was some fun music playing in this area, and there were a lot of people that were pointing us in the right direction. Obviously tons of locations to take pictures along the way, so this whole process from the moment we entered the terminal until we were on board the ship, if it was 15 minutes, I would be shocked. But it was a fantastic and easy boarding experience, low stress, and a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of Royal Caribbean's Galveston Cruise Terminal. I hope it makes it easier for you to know what to do and where to go. And well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.